up. Five all.
Well, that's beautifully played. Not the best width for Matthew, but Daryl Selby getting down on that very low. Terrific balance.
9-10.
Fully stretched. Well, we've had 18 minutes so far. It's getting a lengthy first game, which is certainly playing into the hands of Matthew Parkey.
Wow, that's good. Again, the strength area of Nick Matthew. And yes, you're right. It's the longer it goes, especially with the quarterfinal that Selby played, it's going to be in Matthew's advantage.
Oh, the dink on the wall. Selby keeping the ball in play.
He's pretty good at that one, actually, isn't he? I'm not very good at that shot. I don't know about you, but he gets it very straight above the service line and just rolling along the wall.
And there it is. Perfect scenario, really, for the #1 seed.
Game to Matthew. Matthew lead. 1 game to love.
Really exciting rallies here.
And out.
Good change-ups.
4-7.
Flicks of the wrist.
Well, Selby trying to just keep a control of the pace and slow it down to give himself a bit of respite.
He's doing exceptionally well to hang in here. You can see he's doing so much work.
Though.
11-6.
There's the accurate execution from Matthew. Played that wonderfully well. Really took the ball far out in front.
And out 4-2.
Soft hands close to the front wall.
Pace has just become ferocious, but that was a fantastic hold from Nick Matthew.
Yeah, Selby being sucked into trying to hit the ball really hard again, and it's not done him any favours. That's where Matthew feeds off of it. So the Wolves coming back.
That's a beautiful lift on the backhand side. The grunts and groans from Daryl Selby, quite understandable.
It's just evil, isn't it, from Matthew?
Oh, it's, I mean,
it's gone back to that torturous mode. And there goes the short one, but still working it around the court. Doesn't want to quite finish this rally yet. Slightly fortunate bounce. Seen that all week on the joins of the side wall. What a time for that to come for Daryl Selby. He's leaving everything on the court, as you'd expect, Parkey, but Matthew moves to 9-all. I don't think that's going to be a let ball,
Decision
Parky.
Selby. No let.
He's taken the wrong line there. He's going to ask for a video review, but he's taken the wrong line when we see this. So the fourth official confirming the original decision.
Match to Matthew, 3 games to love.
So another impressive performance by Nick Matthew. So the first semi-final, Matthew takes down Daryl Selby 12-10, 11-6, 11-9, 3 games to love.
Decision, Barker. Stroke to Barker. And out. 10-3. Game ball.
Yeah, I think that would be a good tactic.
And there's the manufactured stroke. It was a loose ball, so not much discussion. 7 game balls for Barker.
Out.
Well, he's appealing it, but I feel that the referees...
Appeal Rosner on the ball on the right wall. Ball was out.
So confirm the ball out of court. Peter Barker straight off the court.
Leads.
Good reactions there, right at the feet of Rosner.
Down.
It's a good squeeze, and that's better. I mean, I really do want to see Rosner show his mettle and why he is the most successful German squash player. This is now his time.
And out.
I would like to
4-2.
see him use a bit more height when he's under pressure, though, Parky.
And it goes without saying he needed to be a little bit more precise than the first game as well. Just got the nerves out of the system and is being quite robust now mentally. That's a great finish.
That is wunderbar from Simon Rosner. Soft hands and really feathering the ball into the front.
I think you were going into him as he was completing his shot.
Can you just try and beware of that?
Peter Barker trying to make a point
And
about
out.
Rosner's
10-8.
body position.
Game
Hard to
ball.
understand what Barker was saying.
Phenomenal from Rosner.
12-10. Game to Rosner. 1 game all. Six-two.
Yeah, I knew that was coming. That pretty much took the hair off of Rosner's leg. Peter Barker does enjoy. He's doing it again. Oh, he went straight that time.
He's hitting particularly hard on that backhand, Barker, a bit more than normal. He's getting a bit frustrated.
Yeah, it is. It's a frustration. You're right. That's a silly shot. But he's got away with it. He's got away with that. Let's face it. He was off balance, jumping in the air, going into the opposite corner where his opponent was standing. Barker let him get
And
away
out.
with that. He's conceded the pick up there, Peter Barker. Double hit on the racket.
Game to Rosner.
So Rosner starting
leads 2 games to 1.
really fire on all cylinders in this semi-final, the bottom half of the draw.
great shot. Great shot. Well anticipated there from Barker. Lovely open racket face. You could hear the strings singing as he played that volley.
And out.
Well, Barker will not let Simon Rosner back in at all. Every time the German fights to get a point, the left-hander has a quick attack.
That's a clever little boast again.
Well,
straight point earlier from Barker, but he's
got to go through.
Decision.
Can't get through to play it. He's on the way up there to play
Stroke
it.
to Rosner.
Well, the stroke's been given. Peter Barker, quick handshake. Crowd a little bit shocked by the stroke scenario there. But at times some terrific squash, and what a result for Simon Rosner. An unbelievable battle. "78 minutes for this second semi-final. Rosner overcomes the seedings 3-11, 12-10, 11-5, 12-10, 3 games to 1.